Are you planning to study humanities or Bachelors of Arts in 2026? Is it even relevant or it's an outdated degree? Or you say it's of no use in the world of AI because everyone is talking about AI, data science, nobody even care about humanities or BA anymore. Is it a fact? So guys, in this video, I'm going to decode the humanities studies or say the Bachelors of Arts studies and which are the specialization that is relevant, which are the specialization is no more in use. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end before you choose your specialization or degree in humanities or Bachelors of Arts. This is going to be really useful for you. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. And yes guys, in this video, I'm going to give you the top 10 universities for humanities in India that you can start preparing after 10th कि आप किस तरीके से वहाँ के लिए plan करोगे. Second, top 5 colleges for BA in Mumbai and top 5 colleges for BA in Delhi as well. So you make the best choice for yourself and I'm going to give you that list as well. Now talking about humanities studies or talking about Bachelors of Arts. Now when people talk about it, usually it's like, yaar isme paise kaise kamaoge and you know what you're going to do next. So when you talk about specialization, that's really important in your humanities studies because the redundant ones are your literature, are your, if you just pick up history, if you just pick up geography, that's going to be little challenging for you to find the exact job roles or you say the futuristic kind of things because see, literature and your history are taken care by AI. The research, the compilation, the writing work is done. Unless and until you want to get into writing or teaching or research, then it might help you. But according to me, according to my research analysis and the data that come across कि भाई अगर आप ये specialization करते हो तो it is little difficult. Now talking about the specialization that gonna work for you. First thing, of course, that a lot of students are opting for, that is psychology. You can do psychology majors. Yes, यहाँ पे आप add कर सकते हो history or literature or anything that you want to. Now, psychology major is working wonders because counselors are in demand. There is HR, there is therapy, there is business psychology. So, psychology is playing a major role. Second is when you talk about economics, BA economics or in your humanities, if you combine BA economics with public policy, boss, this is one of the killer option or economics with stats because this is something, policies, data analysis, consulting, finance, ये सारी चीजें आपको economics plus stats or economics plus your public policy में आ जाती है. So make sure if you get this combination, good to go. Then yes, indeed, you have a lot of private universities offering you political science and international studies and combining with public policy. So this three combination is also really great and this gonna be working like anything in future. Then comes your mass communication. So if you're somebody who's passionate about communication, want to make your career in the world of public relation, corporate communication, advertising, branding, then go ahead with that. Also, let's not discard law. When you talk about BA, LLB or law studies, guys, law gonna be one thing that will be of great demand in the coming future, especially when you talk about cyber lawyers and you can take any specialization that you want to later, but yes, law is indeed one of the great option that you can opt for. So when you talk about humanity studies or when you talk about opting for Bachelors of Arts, your specialization will matter in 2026. When you talk about AI and the world of technology, specialization is the key. Don't do it just because अरे यार theory degree है हो जाएगा. Please do not make that mistake. And yes guys, if you want to get in touch with me personally for one-on-one counseling session, this is the number that you can contact my team on. They will share all the details with you where we can discuss about the combination of the specialization that you want to take, major, minor, how you can have a clear career roadmap after your 10th, after your 12th in the humanities studies. I can guide you. Now talking about the top 10 universities in our country, the private universities for humanities are these in our country. And yes, you have to prepare for the entrance exam. They offer you best of the courses and the combination. Then number 2, the best colleges for BA in Mumbai. Most of the students want to opt for, you don't have the best of the options, but yes, you do have Xavier's, you do have Sapphires. They do offer good BA courses. But yes, private players are doing great job when it comes to the humanities studies. And when you talk about the best colleges for BA in Delhi universities are top 5, these ones. In Mumbai University, you don't have to give any entrance exam. Private universities, you have to give their own entrance exam. And when you talk about Delhi universities, you will have to give CUET. That is what is mandatory. For Mumbai, you don't have to give any exams. It is like your 12 standard marks. So guys, do let me know in the comment box below what's your question on the career in humanities and arts. And yes, share this video with all your friends. Stay tuned to Media Mentor for all the important updates on your career. And I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.